Germany's new F127 frigate is ready to protect entire fleets from missiles, drones, and even ballistic threats from the sky. It can also attack surface targets and support land strikes. This super warship is a game changer. The F127 is Germany's next big naval project. The German Navy needs to replace its older Sachsen-class frigates, which are getting old. The F127 is much bigger and smarter. Each ship will weigh about 10,000 to 12,000 tons. It will be around 160 to 178 meters long, with a top speed of 32 knots. The ship will have 96 cells Mark 41 vertical launch system. It can hold SM-2 Block 3C, medium to long-range air defense missiles, SM-6 Block 1, very advanced long-range weapon, ESSM, shorter-range air defense, and possible future options, SM-3 for high-altitude ballistic missile defense, or land attack missiles like Tomahawk cruise missiles for striking targets hundreds or thousands of kilometers away on land. The F127 will carry a powerful 127mm Mark 45 naval gun. This is a big cannon on the front deck that can fire shells up to 20 to 30 kilometers away. It is useful for attacking surface ships, bombarding land targets, and providing support during amphibious operations. It will also be equipped with directed energy weapons, 2 RIM 116 ram launchers, each has 21 missiles, Rheinmetall MLG-27 automatic cannons, remote-controlled machine guns, and anti-ship missiles, Naval Strike Missile or future Teuerfing 3 supersonic missiles. The first F127 could join the Navy around 2034. Construction might start soon after final contracts. Germany increased the order from 6 to 8 ships because threats are growing. The design comes from a German company, TKMS, based on their MEKO A400 concept. It even has special ice strengthening for cold waters like the Baltic Sea. But the real star is the Aegis combat system. Recently, the United States approved a huge $11.9 billion deal to equip 8 of these F127 ships with the powerful Aegis combat system. Experts say this could make the F127 almost unstoppable in modern naval battles. Developed by the US Navy, Aegis ties together radars, computers, missiles, and guns into one smart system. It can track hundreds of targets at once, planes, missiles, drones, and decide in seconds what to shoot down. The $11.9 billion deal covers 8 complete Aegis sets for the F127 fleet. That includes the main computers, the Spy-6 radar, Mark 41 vertical launch systems, and other high-tech gear like electronic warfare tools and navigation systems. Germany plans to buy up to 96 missile cells per ship now, up from earlier plans. That is a lot of firepower. They can knock out enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, or even incoming ballistic missiles. With Aegis, one ship can protect a whole group of friendly vessels, like an invisible shield. It works with NATO allies too, sharing data in real time. Germany can now do ballistic missile defense at sea for the first time. That means stopping rockets before they hit land or ships. Plus, the ship carries 2 NH-90 helicopters for hunting submarines or attacking surface targets. By the 2030s, these frigates could be the pride of the German fleet and a key defender for all of Europe. The seas are about to get a lot safer or a lot scarier for anyone thinking of trouble. The F127 is coming. Germany currently operates 11 active frigates and 6 corvettes. Germany 11 active frigates includes 4 Brandenburg-class Type F123, 3 Sachsen-class Type F124, and 4 Baden-Württemberg-class Type F125. The Brandenburg-class was commissioned in 1994 to 1996, now over 30 years old. It has a displacement of approximately 4,900 tons and has a maximum speed of 29 knots. The Brandenburg class is general-purpose frigates, good for anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface combat, and patrols. The Saxon class was commissioned in 2004 to 2013. It has a displacement of about 5,800 tons. The Saxon class is specialized air defense frigates, the strongest in the fleet for protecting other ships from aircraft and missiles. The Baden-Württemberg class was commissioned in 2019 to 2021, the newest in service. It has a displacement of about 7,200 tons, very large for a frigate, almost destroyer size. The Baden-Württemberg class is stabilization and multi-role frigates focused on low-intensity operations, maritime security, anti-piracy, and long deployments. Germany's 6 active corvettes includes 6 Braunschweig class, Type K130. The Braunschweig class corvette has a displacement of about 1,840 tons and has a maximum speed of 26 knots. It is very stealthy design and can operate with drones or unmanned boats in newer batches. The Braunschweig class is general-purpose corvettes for coastal patrol, anti-surface warfare, mine laying, and escort duties. So, Germany's frigate and corvette fleet is small but modern and professional. It focuses on defending European waters, working closely with allies, and handling a mix of high-threat defense and everyday security missions.